Hi, this is Watchhobby. Good morning. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. This is my first unboxing for 2021. So this is the package that I got from DHL. This is from Genome of Singapore. So without further ado, let me do the necessary to unbox this. So as usual, if you buy a watch from Genome, they pack it properly. So as you can see, this particular watch comes bubble wrap with Genome's own bubble wrapping. Okay, so that's out of the way. So free gift from Nomon watches. This is a cloth. This is a cloth. I think that's all you get. Not sure there's what else here. Yep, that's it. That's the only one you have. A signed polishing cloth from Nomon, and the watch itself. So this particular watch comes in a white covered slip for packaging purposes. So this is it. The tricolor. So this is a French watch. A nice leather. I don't think this is real, but as you can see here, it's by Yema. Yema is a French brand. Okay, let's do the unboxing. So here is the warranty. So I think the warranty, it's about, if I'm not mistaken, it should be about a year or two. Sorry, it's 2 years warranty. I got a 2-year warranty for this. This is the so-called manual. Oh no, this is a brochure. It's not a manual. So this is a brochure. All your Yemas, all watches in the collection. Nice colored document. And finally, the watch. The box itself is actually quite nice, spoon shaped. So this is the watch. This is the Yema Digidisc Black. Very interesting way of displaying time. A moving circular disc, 1970s style. Instead of a standard bracelet with a bridge, this comes with a sliding clasp, as you can see here. I think this is my first watch that comes with a sliding clasp, so something interesting. Anyway, I will do a full review on this watch soon. In the meantime, if you want to know more about the specification of this watch, I will put it in the description below. Anyway, give a like for this video. Follow the channel. More updates coming out soon. Thank you. Bye bye.